You never know when an idea hits you, or when you have to repair something on the fly. I like to keep a set of tools with me for those situations. My goal was to create a portable and versatile storage box for my Pinecil soldering iron. Besides carrying replacement tips and accessories, I wanted it to have a bracket to rest the iron on and a pair of gooseneck helping hands. The design I came up with is compact while still ensuring the stability of the inner walls. I planned the manufacturing process ahead for origin to minimize the amount of individual cutters and tool changes.